Hi farmers, today is day 21 and we will be looking at uniformity is more profitable than size. There's a thought that we as farmers have. On day 21, the flock shows us how well we've managed the flock, right? You'll see big birds don't mean success. You'll understand even birds mean profit. And here's why. A flock that grows together, eats together, converts feed better, and sells even more. And here are a couple of points at why I say uniformity is more profitable than size. Uneven birds mean uneven management. What we will see is that big birds, medium birds, and very small birds, that didn't happen overnight. It comes from unequal access to feed or water, heat stress, overcrowding, and poor early brooding. Number two is that small birds cost more than you think. Think about it. Small birds eat more feed per kilogram, are more likely to get sick, and often don't reach market weight. So they reduce your average selling price. You feed them, but they don't pay you back. Uniform birds eat and grow better. When birds are similar in size, feeders are used evenly, drinking points are shared, and stress becomes lower. This improves feed conversion without changing the feed. Point number four, day 21 is your correction window. Think about it. After 21 days, fixing uneven birds becomes difficult. Small birds struggle to catch up. This is the best time to do the following: to add extra feeders or drinkers, to reduce competition for food and water, to separate very small birds if possible. Point number five, farmers check weight and not distribution. Most farmers ask, how heavy are they? It's a fair question to ask, honestly. But a better question to ask is, how many look the same? Instead of looking for anomalies and breakouts, how about you look at the overall average weight of the birds? Do they look the same? Do they weigh the same? Do they average the same? This is what we should look at as farmers. Uniformity makes planning easier and brings your profits higher. Now, why this affects your money? Think about it. Poor uniformity leads to more feed being used, which means more money. Lower final weight, which means selling your broilers for less. Higher medicine costs for those small birds to try and strengthen their immune and their strength. And you find it there'll be a difficulty selling smaller birds because people will see, no man, this is not worth that much. So uniform flocks sell faster and better. Here's what we do on day 21. We walk through the flock slowly. We check size differences. We adjust feeders and drinker heights. We add extra access points for feeders and drinkers. And also we support smaller birds earlier so that they can also have access to resources. And here's a final thought. Even birds pay better than big ones. Now I've created a digital booklet called Broiler Gems, which will help you with information such as this, from raising your broilers from chicks to adult broilers, and also making a scalable profit. The link will be in the description if you want that. Thanks for watching. See you on day 20.